and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey on this lovely day. And I'm cooking a wood-fired pizza because it's a lovely day. And I've got the log going there. I'm just going to check to see what temperature the stone is. I've just put one log in there about 10 minutes ago, so I might need to add a few more just before my cook. Yeah, it's about 400, so I want to get that to 430. Okay, I think that's plenty hot. Just give it a wiggle. I could see that there was this piece of cheese there that I thought was going to wiggle off, but it didn't. Whew. Done. I think it's cooked the block mozzarella very well, just right. At 430 in the centre of the stone, I think it's given a nice cook on the base. This was Ooni's 250 gram sourdough ball, 430 degrees on the stone in centigrade. I mean, I don't know, you might want to go a bit more. The last time I cooked 430 degrees was the first cook with it, and it really cooked it well at 430 in the centre. But I think 440 will be okay too, around there. So you're looking at around 430 to 450, but I wouldn't go more than 450 on the stone in the centre. Very nice crust. I think it's cooked the cheese very well. It was block mozzarella cheese. I think it's cooked that very nicely. I'm going to give this a try because I have got salami hidden under there. So let's give that a try. Can I say, lovely. That's my second ever cook with the wood fire oven. It's very efficient. comes up to heat very quickly, and it cooks very fast as well. And I love the clear dough. Even though it slightly smokes up, I don't mind. It doesn't bother me at all. I just clean it away after each cook, after it's cooled down, after a cooking session, and it's good to go for the next time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you enjoyed it, like it if you liked it. Thanks for your support. Take care. See you soon. Bye.